Hi, welcome to the channel NCERT Maths Tutor. Exercise 5.2, question number 10. The 17th term of an arithmetic progression exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. 17th term means A17, 10th term means A10. In this question they have given the 17th term of the arithmetic progression is 7 more than the 10th term. Means we can write A17 is equal to A10 plus 7. Now here apply the formula nth term of an arithmetic progression an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. First A17, n is 17. So A17 is equal to a plus 17 minus 1 into d. A17 is equal to a plus 16d. Next find the 10th term A10. Here I am taking n as 10. A10 is equal to a plus 10 minus 1 into d. A10 is equal to a plus 9d. We now know the value of A17 and A10. Now in this, substitute these two values. A17 is equal to A10 plus 7. This is given in the question. That is 17th term is 7 more than the 10th term. So A17 minus A10. This I am taking to left hand side. So we have here A17 minus A10 is equal to 7. A17 is a plus 16d minus A10 is a plus 9d is equal to 7. That is a plus 16d minus a minus 9d is equal to 7. Here we get 16d minus 9d is 7d. 7d is equal to 7. D is equal to 7 by 7. D is equal to 1. So the common difference D is 1 here. Question number 11. Which term of the arithmetic progression 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term? So here we need to find the term, and to find that term condition is that term is 132 more than the 54th term. So first here to find that term we should know the value of 54th term. So first let us find the 54th term. So here they have given the arithmetic progression 3, 15, 27, 39. Here the first term a is 3. The common difference is 15 minus 3 gives 12. So D is 12. And we need to find A54. That means N is 54. Now let us apply the formula. Nth term of arithmetic progression An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here An is A54 is equal to a is 3. 3 plus n is 54. 54 minus 1 into 12. So A54 is equal to 3 plus 54 minus 1, 53 into 12. So 3 plus 53 into 12 is 636. 3 plus 636, that means A54 is equal to 639. Now we got the 54th term is equal to 639. Next, in the question, we need to find the term, and that term is 132 more than its 54th term. That means we need to find the value of first here An. So that's why let us say that in the question they have given that that term is 132 more than its 54th term. So let us say that An be the term which is 132 more than its 54th term. That means we can write An is equal to A54 plus 132. Now we know the value of A54, that is 639. So An is equal to 639 plus 132. So this gives an is equal to 771. So now we got that term. So now which term that we need to find? That means here we need to find the value of n now. So an is 771 and this n value we need to find. So for that, again take the first term is 3 here and the common difference is 12 here. An we know, that is 771, and n we need to find. Let us apply the same formula. In this formula, substitute the given values. An is 771, a is 3 plus n minus 1. N we need to find, so n minus 1 into d. D is 12. 771 is equal to 3 plus 12n minus 12. 771 is equal to 3 minus 12 is minus 9. So 12n minus 9. Take this minus 9 to left hand side. That becomes plus 9. 771 plus 9 is equal to 12n. So here we get 780 is equal to 12n. N is equal to 780 divided by 12. So after cancellation, here we get the answer 65. That means here 65th term is 132 more than its 54th term. So here answer is n is equal to 65. Question number 12. Two arithmetic progressions have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? So here in this question they are talking about two arithmetic progressions. So that's why let us take a variable d and let us say that this d is the same common difference between two arithmetic progression. And as here we have two arithmetic progressions, I am taking here two variables a and b, and let us say that a and b be the first term of first arithmetic progression and second arithmetic progression. That means a is the first term of the first arithmetic progression and b is the first term of the second arithmetic progression. In the question they have given the difference between 100th term of these two arithmetic progression is 100. So first let us find the 100 terms of the arithmetic progression. So as here we have first and second arithmetic progression. So first I am writing here 100 terms of first arithmetic progression. So for first arithmetic progression I have taken first term as a. So a 100 is equal to a plus 100 minus 1 into d. This I got by applying the formula nth term of arithmetic progression an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here I have taken n as 100. So a 100 is equal to a plus 99d. Now let us name this as equation 1. Next here I am finding the 100th term of second arithmetic progression. See, for the second arithmetic progression I have taken the first term as b. So b 100 is equal to b plus 100 minus 1 into d. This also I got by applying this formula where here a is the first term and here b is the first term for the second arithmetic progression. So I have taken b here. So I get b 100 is equal to b plus 99d. Now let us name this as equation 2. Next in the question they have given the difference between two arithmetic progression 100th term is 100. So let us write that a 100 minus b 100 is equal to 100. This is given in the question. Now substitute the value of a 100, that is a plus 99d, minus b 100 is b plus 99d is equal to 100. So here we get a plus 99d minus b minus 99d is equal to 100. So after cancellation, here we get a minus b is equal to 100. So let us name this as equation 3. This we are going to use later. So this I am now taking as equation 3. Next in the question C, they have asked us to find the difference between their 1000th term. That means now first we need to find the 1000th term of both the arithmetic progression. So first let us find the 1000th term of first arithmetic progression by applying this formula where n is equal to 1000 here. So a 1000 is equal to a plus 1000 minus 1 into d. So we get here a 1000 is equal to a plus 999d. Similarly, find the 1000th term of second arithmetic progression, where here we have taken the first term of this arithmetic progression as b. So I am not writing here a, so I am writing here b here, because at the beginning we have taken that first term of second arithmetic progression as b. So b 1000 is equal to b plus 1000 minus 1 into d. So b 1000 is equal to b plus 999d. Next here find the difference. A 1000 minus b 1000 is equal to a 1000 is a plus 999d minus this is b plus 999d. A plus 999d minus b minus 999d. So this will get cancelled. We get here a minus b. But from equation 3 we know that a minus b is equal to 100. So in this place I am writing 100. That means here we can say now a 1000 minus b 1000 is equal to 100. That is the difference between two arithmetic progression 1000th term is 100. This is the final answer. This is about question number 10 to 12 solution. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Also click the bell icon to get regular notification. Thanks for watching.